Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can freeze your video in CapCut PC. So it is super simple, and I think this tutorial um, especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. Just select your video, and to freeze the video you can click freeze button. For example, select part of the video you like to freeze. For example, I'll create this part, and then just click freeze. So you can see there is a new clip here, and you can see for the final result of this. Alright, you can add more freeze. Just select clip. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please select the comment section below.